Hey guys, today I've got something super cool to show you. I was doing a little bit of Black Friday shopping early and I found a toolkit that's perfect for my Jeep, no matter if I'm on the trail or just installing some goodies. So you guys ready? Let's take a look. So this 83-piece Jeep toolkit set comes in this convenient tool roll that fits easily in the back of your Jeep. It's going to hold everything you need, and it's even branded Rubicon, which is pretty great. The individual tools all have Jeep branding on them. And while everything's made in China, it is super high quality. It comes with everything you need to take apart and build your Jeep. So let's go through what this kit actually comes with. So when you first get the kit, it comes in this nondescript sleeve. Once you take that off, you'll start to see the branded Jeep Rubicon box. The box comes sealed shut with some thick tape, so you'll want to cut that with a knife. Once open, you'll find the Jeep branded tool roll itself, nicely wrapped in plastic to protect it during shipping. We're going to set this to the side for a moment and keep going through the box for now. Next is a list of the included tools and where they belong in the roll-up carry case. Don't worry, I'll show this again later, as well as include a full tool list in the description below. Remaining in the box is just 3 more boxes. As promised, here is that tool list again. And even closer. Okay, so now let's open this up. The bag itself is super high quality. There's a sturdy handle on top, name tags and Velcro on the back, and locking tabs on the front. As we open it up, we can see that it unfolds into 3 main panels, one of which includes 2 zipper pouches. Looks like there's even a shoulder strap in this one too. All in all, this is a super nice tool bag, and the branding throughout makes it really special. Let's set to the box to the side and keep that to store some of our Jeep collectibles in later. Okay, so let's unpack these tools and get a look at the actual hardware itself. The first box contains our wrench sets and a pair of locking pliers. The second box contains a spark plug gap tool, electrical tape, trim removal tool, star and hex key sets, and a hammer. Now for the last box. This one contains the screwdrivers, socket wrenches, sockets, and other accessories. Okay, so now let's load up this tool bag. If we go back to the included list of tools, it provides a specific location for each item in the kit. Feel free to fast forward as I'll just be putting these tools away for a moment. All of our tools conveniently packed away, we can roll up our tool bag and secure the front straps. Time to go throw this in the back of the Jeep. So in the back of the JLU, there's a built-in cooler. Since I never use the space as an actual cooler, it's the perfect home for my toolkit. So there it is, the Jeep 83-piece roll-up tool piece kit. It's going to be perfect for all my adventures, and like I said, it fits perfectly here in the Jeep. If you guys have any questions, post it up in the comments below. I'm also going to list the full item list in the description in case you guys want to build your own kit. I know that's the cheaper route, but unfortunately I really like all the Jeep branded tools, plus got that great deal on Black Friday. So again, have any questions, post them up in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.